be happening.
Yeah, they it's all tactics, man. It's all war game tactics right now. It's nothing really jumping off, man. But it's so uncertainty. That's how you can't trust this type of move right now. This is just people taking profit, covering some shorts and repositioning, man. Because everything on them daily, on weekly chart, everything is weak, man. There's no way we just gonna get a turnaround out of nowhere with all this uncertainty, man. It's just it don't make any sense. Now the market don't make any sense, so maybe.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think that's just where we are. Just the uncertainty, man. You don't know when someone gonna buy. I don't think you can go with though. I mean, the markets are weak.
Well,
I mean, that's one. Go ahead. I say that's what we do know. We know they weak.
I mean, look at Microsoft. Within 10 minutes, it would have 7 points in 10 minutes. You know, that's something ain't right, man.
What are you looking at back there? What chart you looking at?
That's a 10-minute chart. Look at that. It would have 7 points in 10 minutes. That's
man.
Something ain't right there, man. That's too fast. That's too fast.
Yeah. Our bankers going up and get that money. That's what they do. I think that's it. Them bankers going up there and get that money and come back down when people got them stops in.
What's going on, yeah?
Yeah, they hitting them stops. What's up, bro?
They going to get that money and probably tank this thing right back down.
Everything's starting to reject right now.
What they saying in your chat?
Boy. He watching BA, NVIDIA, AMD, Tesla puts.
Yeah, the way this stuff moving up, man, it's just moving so fast. This stuff is the weakness, man, is there, man. It's just a sucker.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. He said it's gonna pull back real hard when it do. It's because he said it's running on high volume right now or something.
It's running on what?
A lot of like low volume. I think he might have said low volume.
It's running on low volume. Meaning, basically, we got to think right now. We got to think a different mindset. We got to think like we think when it's bullish. When this thing pull back, we be looking to ride it up. It's the same way when it's pulling up.
Ride it down.
We gotta ride it down. Yeah.
I'm not in anything. I'm just being patient, man. I ain't because it's too much uncertainty. But
you got out of Microsoft, man.
Well, I got out of that last week. Well,
okay.
Thursday, Friday, and I got in the video put. I made way more money on the video put because it moved faster. So yeah, I made about $500 on that.
Yeah,
I should have stayed in. I should have stayed in. No, I mean, I wouldn't get out. Shoot, it's probably gonna go back down. How much you got? I mean, when you got it till?
Oh, I got the 290 for this Friday, and I got 280 for 20-something days out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it seemed like they're about to go to war, man.
Yeah, it's a lot of war games going on. I don't know, man.
I'm just trying to build my small account up, man. Make it a large one. That's all I'm trying to build.
Shoot, Square with a major account. No, that Square went right. 96, man.
I know.
It was actually at 94. It was at 94 this morning,
man. This thing went exactly what my strike price, 280, but that was 445 this morning.
Dang, it did go down to 93, didn't it? Dang.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see, a lot of these stocks needed this little pull up real fast.
Yeah.
A lot of this stuff going lower, man.
I just told Margaret to short SE just now.
SE?
Yeah.
What are you shorting it on?
Why are you not on the Zoom?
You can't get Discord up or something. The link.
Can't get the Discord up.
The link is.
I think it's a shorting opportunity, y'all.
To what?
Everything.
What's the strike though?
You talking about SC though? You said what's the what?
What's the is there a strike price?
SC, if I do SC, I'll go with the 130 strike price for next week.
130 strike price for next week.
Okay. Digital acquisitions too. That Trump thing. Them options are expensive right now, though.
Oh yeah, you know they was #1 this week on downloads. What's it called? What's the symbol for that?
DWAC.
Yeah, that thing popped at 99 this morning.
Ooh, the SE freaking put is $1,000.
Which one you looking at? The 130?
Wait, I'm tripping. I'm looking at call. My bad. I mean,
No,
it's still like
sir.
$900. It's about $950.
No, for next week, it's 420 something, 520 something.
You looking at this week? I'm looking at next week. Is the you know what? Yeah, next week is the 4th. That's $1,000.
Yeah, I did miss that. You're right. What am I doing?
Because we only got 3 more trading days in this week.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. I was on. You're right. Wow.
Yeah, I think it's expensive, man. Sheesh.
Yeah, my account ain't like
So
that.
So the more expensive it is when those contracts like that, the more money you can make, or is it just?
Yeah,
How's
it
that
all
work,
depends. Oh, to some stocks are more, but this stock is pretty volatile. That's why SC be moving, man.
And the video had a pullback. Man, I should have got in. Sorry, though. I ain't tripping. I'd rather not trade. If I mean, I don't know too much, man. Right now, I'm just waiting for like a clear direction because this stuff is just crazy. It changed just like Cleveland, whether it be 50 one day and then 20 and snowy the next 4 hours.
I think it's about to happen again.
No, I'm saying
what, Cleveland?
Yeah, it's talking about getting cold again, man.
Oh my goodness.
Really?
It's 50 degrees. Now they're talking about cold.
Well, y'all had a big day up there in Cleveland, man. Y'all had a phenomenal All-Star weekend.
It was cold though, man. It was cold.
Especially the third. I felt sorry for the people that came in Thursday night. My goodness, they had like an ice storm, wind everywhere. It was crazy.
Really?
Yeah, it was wild.
Hey, check out AMD in the video. I'm gonna be honest, I want to do a call on the video for out the way. I mean, it's now that it's down from it's high, it's 52 guys.
AMD gapped up this morning.
Did it?
I'm looking at it.
Yeah. AMD looked better than the video, but the video is right on the 200. I wonder why AMD gap like that. Dang, that's interesting. Wow, AMD is strong.
Man, I tell you.
So you would rather get an AMD in the video?
117, man. If it gapped up and it's past this other gap, man, that thing may buy. It may be good to get in there.
I don't trust nothing, man.
I wouldn't play. Well, I ain't gonna say I wouldn't play nothing.
If I day traded, but I'm not day not right now. I don't trust nothing, man.
The thing with AMD and NVIDIA, they both bouncing off their 200, and if this market does turn up, man, them stocks gonna move.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's feeling that. Well, I didn't feel the whole gap, but it's feeling that last gap right now where it's going down. But that 117, and maybe a continuation if you see.
Look at the Qs. It look like it's trying to start to sell off.
The Qs? What you looking at? 15 minutes?
A little bit. Look like it's trying to start to sell off, and the SPYs. Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Go inside the chart on the 1 minute to really see it. Look like it's really starting to break down a little bit right now.
Yeah. I see it.
In the video about it hit 235, it just hit its buy signal.
Look at these lower.
Not buy signal.
I know that's not a lower.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Yeah, you good, brother. Yeah, it's turning over. Let me grab my charger, man. Hold on one second.
You see it, Reggie, on the 1 minute? Reggie.
My daddy went to go get his charger.
Hi, who is this?
I'm Hannah.
Hi, pretty girl. How you doing?
Good.
Oh, it's good to hear your voice. What y'all doing? Playing?
No, we gotta do schoolwork.
How's Josh? Is he being a good boy?
Mm-hmm.
Tell Josh I said hi.
Okay.
You be a good girl, Hannah, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, Hannah, you be sweet. Bye-bye.
Calling you right back.
Okay.
I apologize.
Oh, no problem. Okay then. It's been interesting today.
Cecil.
Yeah.
I think this market's trying to break down a little bit now. I'm looking at it on the 1 minute. If you look at a 1 minute look at the cues on the 1 minute, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Break down a little bit now, huh?
Oh yeah, I see that. I see what you're talking about.
In the red. Let's see what it kind of see if it continue to break down.
Yeah, I know. I don't know if it's no real push to try to turn this thing around right now without everything going on. But I see that 1 minute. I see what you're talking about.
Yeah. There was a nice exuberant move up. Let's see if it. I don't think it's going to continue.
Oh really? Yeah, I think it'd be like a head fake if it does, because I'm like, man, this is, I don't know. Yeah, it look like it's like you said, it look like it's breaking down. That 8 starting to push it on down on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this stuff is still weak, man.
Yeah, like I said, it's just like you said, an overall trend of this thing down. So a counter trend rally, like Reggie said, give them a chance to reset it in the positions when necessary, you know. Because I'm looking at the cues right now. The cues kind of dropped a little bit. You look at a 2 minute cues and look at your ADX on the 2 minute.
Is the market really tanking, or are we just getting back to more normalcy? Because before the pandemic, it was kind of like this, wasn't it? Because the pandemic was an unusual time. That a year or two, everything was just running up so high. So everybody's just so used to those crazy gains.
During the pandemic,
isn't this more normal?
During the pandemic, stuff fell hard quickly.
I'm saying the run up though to it. Like, cause if you take the 52-week high of a lot of these stocks, you should divide it by 2. It's back to their normal prices, right back to where before the pandemic started.
Yeah. Hold on for a second.
When I'm thinking like this, when we kind of get in quandary like this,
I
like to look at the spies and the cues and everything, and that overall direction, because when you're looking at the big picture, this is the time when we want to get geared up when we have these counter trend rallies right here and look at reposition and short, because it takes a lot of energy for the trend to change. And if you kind of look at it, the market has been constantly breaking down. Like I'm looking at the daily chart of the Q. I'm looking at just say for Microsoft. I'm looking at the daily chart of Microsoft right now. The daily chart of Microsoft, my daily ADX is at 29.17. So I'm in a strong trend right now. The trend just, it takes a lot of energy for the trend to really, really stop. It hasn't stopped right now. So if you look at all the indicators are pointing down. So that's telling me this counter trend rally, I'm looking for an area of resistance to possibly short this trade, whether it's a 10-minute, 20-minute, 15-minute, and so forth. But all my indicators are turned over. So sometimes you have to wait a little bit to trade. Like right now, Microsoft was up like to $3. It was up $3 as a change. Now with a little bit of profit taking or whatever, Microsoft right now is only up $1.11. You see, I had her going in short SC and Microsoft. Just look at your daily and look at what you're looking at. And you ask yourself that question: on the daily, am I bearish or bullish? We are extravagantly bearish. So what I would do, Chad, I'd go to a lower time frame. You know, just say like a 2-minute or whatever, a 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, whatever you want to do, and I would look at trying to time it. So if you look at it right now, if I'm looking at Microsoft right now on a 2-minute, I see it's trying to break down slowly and methodically. You see?
Yeah, see, it's trying to get there.
It's trying. It
What-
ain't there, but it's trying. It's trying.
Yeah,
What are you guys looking at?
Microsoft
Yeah.
Okay. You think it's trying to get where now?
It's trying. When you
trying to break down.
When you see a lot of bearish candles, maybe the Qs is a better example. Let's look at the index. Look at the Qs on the 10 minutes, and I'm on the 2 minutes, and I want to show y'all something.
The Qs.
Yeah. You see how the Qs is, just kind of breaking down a little bit methodically. You see that?
Yeah.
Trading sideways now.
The
I
trend
think that's what it would do.
because the day traders and everything in there.
Mhm.
Usually about 10:30, you'll see a reversal around about 10:30, slightly before 10:30. But just remember, my overall direction of this stock, is bearish.
And
So
that's
right now, I got the Qs is at up. I got it up 40-something cents.
and that's the
Hey,
hard.
what's oil looking like, Reggie? Because I know you've been talking about that for a while.
Yeah.
Well,
Billy,
oil-
what'd you trade in Qs? 6-10 days out?
if you can, you depend on what strike price you're buying.
You can actually trade the Qs today, really.
You could, yep. It's all up to you, your risk tolerance on it. But
Another thing too, when you trade on a daily time frame, if you can get that breakdown on the first and second day, that's real good on the first and second day. Sometimes you hit on I'm talking about first and second day consecutively down. That's what I'm saying.
I see what you said. See, that's what I did on Microsoft, and I thought I was thinking I'd get a third day in there, but that didn't work. That ain't working out right now. But I got it on that first day down. Reggie called it.
This is a good example right here. Look at Netflix. Look at Netflix daily chart. We had an update on the daily time frame on Netflix yesterday. Well, not yesterday, but
Yeah, last Friday.
Look at that Greystone Doji. Look how it opened and closed. Look at that. This is a bear signal right there. If this stock trade below 385.70, it's going to go back down to 351. So if I traded Netflix, just say if I want to get in at the end of the day, and I enter on a daily time frame, I'm gonna give it 20 days to make that move for me to the downside if I enter on a daily. Now, if I enter on an hourly, I'm gonna give it 3 days.
Okay, makes sense.
look at this. This SPY, this thing ain't ready, man.
Yeah, like I said, like Reggie said, don't be fooled by the narrative and everything. Look at what you see, because like you say, right now we kind of got the daily going down, and we got little counter trend movement going up. So don't panic with that. Matter of fact, this is actually like Reggie said. I believe this is opportunity time.
Yeah, I think y'all gotta. It's a mindset shift right now, man. Because we usually, if this was going up and we was playing calls, and we get little pullbacks like this, we'll be like, okay, this is nothing but a little pullback. It's the same mindset. This is just nothing but a little pull up in a downward trend. This is what we want.
Mhm.
It's just psychologically, it's hard because we know that the market wants to go higher regardless. That's just what it does. But in this
I
case,
should have added.
you said what?
I should have added to Microsoft.
Yeah. See, that would have been perfect to add. Mike.
Well, you guys are adding to Microsoft puts for tomorrow? I mean, for this week?
No, I'm 17 days out now. I was thinking 17 days out.
Yeah, a couple weeks out. I mean, if you want to add them to this week, I mean, you'd probably be okay, depending if you buy at the money or in the money.
Yeah, I was in the money on that anyway.
I
I'm
couldn't hear you,
290
bro.
on that.
You said what, bro?
I couldn't hear y'all. Y'all was cutting out. My bad. I just got in the car, so.
We said, yeah. I mean, if you buy it this week, you just got to buy in the money or at the money.
And what was that? What would be that price? I'm not looking at the chart right now.
290.
Okay.
I did
290.
290.
Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, you could do a 290 or 287.50. I wouldn't go no lower than that.
What's the
though,
put
for this week? Huh?
this week? What's the where's it at now? Is that 290?
Yep.
Next week though is the ideal, but it's that 290 is 695.
But I mean, shoot,
You
that's
said
a-
695?
That's not
for
that
next
bad
week?
though.
Yeah, for next week. It look like it's trying to push a little bit. You might be able to get a better price.
Yeah, we got a mixed market going on here. We got the Dow down 122, NASDAQ up 980, and we got the S&P up $1.88. Oh, people, did they report earnings? Because they down 20 points.
Who?
Home Depot, did they report earnings?
Yeah, they did. They
down
down 20 points.
Yeah.
Yeah, and look at Lowe's too. They report on Wednesday. I meant to send the earnings chart this week.
Yeah, Lowe's gonna be down because Home Depot down. But they said that Home Depot, they must have had some negative news coming because they said they had some good news.
It looks like the results are coming. A warning to anybody who thinks they're going to flip burgers for the rest of their life. White Castle just announced that
Man, Microsoft trying to push again.
did so well.
Yeah.
They can
Microsoft. If it certainly fell at that daily,
put the flippy.
if it fails, yeah, it is.
Hold on, I
That
just
chip
got back
for
to
that
my
other count
computer.
is 292.
Let me look at all of this that y'all looking at. And the video just bounced. I'm wondering if I should get in that for like a call. Because historically, after they have earnings, the video starts to run like a few days out, like 2-3 days, business days out, or trading days out. It likes to run. So that might be something to look at, y'all, like a call on the video.
Hold on for a minute.
Microsoft is running, huh?
Yeah, it's standing around that 289, 290 price. I'm not scared of Microsoft until it breaks 292. If it breaks 292, it changes the game.
Yeah, see, all of them in this other Discord, they just day trade and scalping right now.
That's true.
They got those accounts to do it, so
That's out there, man. Ain't nothing else for them to do, really.
Yeah, that's true. I might look at the video, but I ain't gonna play it 2 or 3 weeks out. I'll play it this week.
no, I mean that might be the ideal time to do it for real, man. Because this thing run. I'm telling you, just something to consider. Man, AMD look good. It's at 118. It's still pushing. Like, look at the reversal it had on the. Let's see. Let me pull it up. My bad. Well, so Reggie, what are these? What's these candles considered? Is this called like? Isn't this called something on the 15-minute? This pattern from the video.
On the video.
Yeah, look at that 15-minute chart real quick. What is that called?
Talking about this big candle.
Well, yeah, and then like you got then you have like a small doji, and then it's like I don't know what is that?
It's just a regular candle. And then you got
Are these like
doji.
indecisive moves or something? Like what's
Yeah, it's got up there where it's indecisive. It is at the top of the big bar, which is a positive sign. But this is all resistance also though, too. That's 5. So we'll see. And with the depending on what the market do, is probably what's gonna dictate what this do.
Facts.
Let me see what the 5 is like. Yeah, it's just sideways.
Reggie, what's happening?
Yo.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah, the video is sideways, man, right now. Just a 5-minute, 30-minute. I think the whole market is that way though. Let me look at the SPY again. Yeah, we're not getting that momentum in the market. So this kind of tell us that later, then this stuff gonna probably sell off. Because you're not getting that follow through.
Yeah, I see right now what I'm looking at, I see the Qs is up.
Hello.
Microsoft
y'all there?
37, the video up 71 cents. I see the video buy. I know Chaz was in there trying to bounce off the 15-minute a 15-minute parameter right now on there. I think that's the 50-day moving average. You know, but like I said, when I'm looking at it, all these stocks on the 15-minute, even though they're trying to turn, they still look bearish. Probably have to wait till they turn.
Hey, Billy, what you think about a Home Depot put?
Home Depot put on. Let me look at it
For this week. Because I'm looking at the 325 and it's only $473. I think we can get down that way. I already dropped 20 points. Just in this market, the way it's set up now.
It's so extended, man.
They had an earnings play, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they already had earnings.
Yeah. The only thing is so far away from that 20-day moving average.
It can go. It's gonna go lower.
A lot of stuff is though.
It could possibly go lower, but how much are the option prices?
Not that bad. Not for a put like 470 for this week.
Okay.
For 325.
It can go lower. It's gonna have a hard turnaround when it turn around back up though.
Yeah, I think that went down and got beat up so bad. You probably gonna get some people who seeking bottoms and might pull it up. I would probably wait for it to pull up a little bit, then reshort it. That's what I would do.
Yeah, let it pull up and then short it.
What y'all got on? What y'all looking at, Reg?
Home Depot.
Depot.
Let it pull up some more and then short it after it pull up. See, on a 15-minute, it's just getting back to the bottom bands, not even trading inside. You wanted to kind of trade inside, let it settle down this afternoon, hammer it back down, or in the next hour or so, if it pull up. It's way outside the bands on the hour chart. It's definitely got potential to move higher up and then fall harder. It probably go down to that 320 area.
Mm-hmm. Well, I wonder if maybe can Lowe's earnings be pretty similar, you think? Because that might be a good lotto play.
No, Lowe's don't move like Home Depot though.
No.
No, it don't move like Home Depot at all.
I don't think I ever traded. I traded Home Depot maybe once back in the summer, but
Qs is trading up a little bit now.
Hmm.
It's trying to trade up a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see the same thing. Yep.
We drop back down.
Y'all in the video calling my name, bro.
Then y'all about that little video, aren't you?
It's about to hit 240, man. I got faith in the video. I done seen it run.
Yeah, that darn.
And
Boy,
you can go out to March 11th for like a 255 call. It was just there last week
yeah, that's true now.
for 600. I'm just saying,
Hold on.
man. Reggie, what you think about that? It's 33 cents. You know, I know we like to buy above that. Well, 40, right? Close to 40, right? In the money or at the Delta.
I'm about the Delta.
Yeah, but do
That's
that
right,
even
price.
matter in these type of market? Yeah, but do that even matter in these type of market conditions?
Well, I mean, you still got to get the move. Yeah, it matters. It definitely matters.
It
But
does.
if you don't get,
Okay.
if it don't go in your direction, then it's gonna hurt you. What you say? What strike price you looking at the video?
255 for March the 11th. That's a lot of time. That's almost a month. It's about 3 weeks.
I mean, if you want to take a shot with it here on that, then I mean it's up to you. But yeah, you can put it right below today's low at 230. See what
As my
happens
stop.
as your stop initially, and if it
But how much money would I lose off of that if it go down to 230?
depends on how much time goes away, how long it takes for it to do that. But if it keeps going, you're gonna be good. I mean, you don't have to go 230 to bring it up closer. I mean, it could definitely could hit if the market turned. But again, everything on the market says weak.
MasterCard might be a good short from here if y'all look at it.
What do you say?
MasterCard could be a good short.
What's their symbol? MA? Is it MA?
MA, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, off the I'm looking at the 5 minute now. It's starting to lose momentum. It's bouncing off that 8 right now. On the 5 minute chart. But it just did get a sell signal.
Netflix is a good short right now, I believe.
Yeah, look at MasterCard trying to break down.
Yeah. MasterCard was down $4 or $5 this morning, y'all. Do y'all believe that?
Look at that can over to $7 in 10 minutes, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, huh?
That's crazy, man. This thing is definitely coming back down. How much are these options? Microsoft kind of stalling out.
So you liking puts basically for everything because you saying change your mindset.
Yeah, we looking at
off at $1.39.
yeah, we looking at the trend, man, and this stuff's telling us to go lower until we get something different that tell us something different, man. We gotta roll with the trend, man. So these pull-ups is nothing but opportunity. What?
The Qs right now they're $1.14. I had Margaret short that those Microsoft again, Reggie, when it was at 2.9.
Okay, it's good work.
So I don't know when she had shorted Microsoft. This was for 2 weeks out, which was the next week, which basically was March 4th.
This stuff trying to
Move. It just moves slow.
What's that?
Microsoft.
You think?
Yeah, I think it only moved like 4 or 5 points a day,
I like it
if
'cause
that.
It got good spreads between the ass and the bed. You
It
know?
moves.
Oh well, yeah, true. That it definitely does. I will say that. Well, I'm saying like because like last week when I was playing Microsoft, I got out of it because it was just trade within like 2 to 3 points, but I made like a lot more money on the video because it just moves. I don't know, maybe I'm spoiled because of the way
When
it
the video
moves.
had earnings momentum, that's why the video was moving
Yeah.
like that. MasterCard just moved 8 points this morning in one direction.
One direction,
That's crazy.
pull straight up, bam. So
Was it in a squeeze or something?
we was in a MasterCard
No.
short on Friday, and what happened was we had put a number to get out, and it hit our number this morning when it gapped out.
Mm.
That was definitely.
When you trade options, when you got the money, what it does is you don't have to spend the money, but what it does is give you flexibility, and you can repair.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, do you guys ever play puts and calls on the SPY and the Qs?
Oh yeah, oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
SPY back in the green. Q's in the green.
I don't know. I don't think I'm trading today. It's just too much uncertainty, man. I finally got my trading journal in too, so.
Downfalls. Who you ordered from?
Just off Amazon. You know, just to keep a track of my trade, progress and how I'm doing with stuff. I'm trying to be more strategic and more should I say it, more smart about more smart about my trades versus just jumping in. I need to write down when I jumped in, how much money I made, all that. It's just easier to track.
You gotta write down why you jumped in too. And why
like the
why
market
you get out.
conditions, all that. Yep.
McDonald's up $3 now. McDonald's could be a good short. No way McDonald's should be up $3. Dang, it's rolling too.
Yeah, these like I said, man, these things trying to, is this a legitimate move? Which I don't think it's a legitimate move. It's just so you can see at the end of the day, see how the confidence what they have in this market. And do they have a lot of confidence in this market? Yeah, well, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. It's 10:39.
I told you I like that Netflix short. If you look at Netflix 15-minute chart. I like that short.
Yeah, this stock is so weak, man. It's been sideways though.
I like the way how the daily closed, man.
So let me ask you a question. Once they come out with those sanctions on Russia from the U.S., you think the market gonna drop?
Who knows? Don't they already have sanctions on them? Hold on one second. Ooh, look at Netflix just turn over right now. Look at that.
It did, okay. Like I said, I like that short.
Here it come. Here come the sellers. There we go. This is what we've been waiting on.
Yep. It's 10:30. I caught it.
Yep, this is it.
This is a reversal point, you know, you'll see it, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, that Netflix was the play, Reggie, huh?
that's one of them. Yeah.
I want y'all to look how Netflix closed, man. When y'all look at Netflix daily close, take a look at this daily close and that candle on Friday. Look at that. We call
Right
that
at
like a gravestone doji.
Yep. Dang it, I blew it up. Like it wouldn't even come in good.
You think it's gonna go lower?
Oh yeah.
I'm saying like this week. If I was to play a put on it this week, would it go?
Yeah, everything is picking up. It's bouncing right off your 20 and 8. That's what we want. It's in the right location. It's got bearish. It's already got a bearish trend.
So a
88,
380 put it isn't out the question.
380.
Yeah,
I
is
don't
that
know
too
what-
far out the money?
See what it did? It came and test that gap on the 15. Reggie, show them on the 15 minute. I came and test that gap. Now it's trying to close it. That whole gap is an area of resistance. Because if we trade for that below that gap, we going down a lot further.
Yeah, it closed the gap last thing, but it failed, and then it's turning over now.
Yeah, see it failed. That's a gap failure. So if we can get a close below that, let me give you the price.
Oh, this thing is coming back down.
But like by if it closed below 388, we probably gonna head a lot lower, y'all.
It's pretty expensive. You talking about this week, Chad?
Yeah, I'm talking about this week.
In a matter of minutes, we seen this stock went down from 61 cents. Now it's down almost $4. That's big.
Actually, I'm not trying to trade anything for this week. I'd rather because it's only 3 days left. But Nvidia is still holding, man. I still like that, but
It's holding, but it just had a 3-point reversal. Or
Selling, like Reggie said, that selling is coming in now.
had a 2-point reversal. Let's see if it continue breaking down or is it going to turn back around. That pressure coming in though. We'll see if it continues.
Reggie, look at a 2 minute on the Q. See if that ADX cross over to the downside and RS below 50 on a 2 minute. Just look at the Qs. Huh?
The RS didn't cross, but the ADX did cross.
On the Qs, what is the trade at?
Oh, the RSI is at 52. And the Qs, the red is on top of the green. Trading at 342.56.
Okay.
So it moved down $1, almost $2. No, $1.30.
Just like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to it now. Let me take a look and see what I think.
Yeah. I don't think I'm playing anything to the upside right now.
Oh no. Yeah, you can play the VIX.
It's a dangerous game. Let's see VIX. See what that's looking like. Yeah, VIX.
I know I'm just talking. Oh, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
I said I know I'm just talking about Microsoft here today, but I mean I'm okay with that one up day. If it don't go past 292.
Yeah, it's chilling too. It is chilling. Microsoft ain't doing nothing but just sitting there.
Yeah.
Got his feet up, just chilling.
Yeah, they really did nothing. I mean, you had a like you said, you had a pull up period about from like 9:45 until about now. We'll see if it roll back over.
Ooh, this dude made 39 grand a day on Tesla. Jesus.
I know he shorted crazy, didn't he?
Huh?
He shorted Tesla. He went long.
No, he bought it at the open and it gapped up to 852 at 950. And then he got out. I don't know how many contracts he got, but he made 39,000.
Yeah, he had some contract. But that's good money, man. That's great money, not good money.
Good money, huh?
Oh man.
What?
I need to build this account and start getting that type of
I
day.
know, man. He trade on Lightspeed too. I actually like their platform. It fills your contracts a lot faster.
Yeah, I see Tesla right now. I see the Tesla. I saw the move exactly what you was talking about, Chaz.
Yeah, you see that? That's the move he caught.
Yeah. I would be overall bearish on this stock, though. I wouldn't. I mean.
No. I mean, they day trade this stuff.
Let's do a virtual trade on Tesla right now. I'm gonna get the 845 put. We gonna just do this for fun for virtually Tesla. I'm gonna get the 845 put, and I'm gonna pay. We're gonna just pay attention to it. 845 put at $22.50. That's what's at $22.50. Just write it down. We entered it on a 2-minute time frame. Let's stay in this trade for like 16 minutes and let's see. Tesla, okay?
Damn it, I should have got into Netflix, Billy.
Oh, I'm just doing it playing around virtually, huh?
No, I said we should have got into Netflix. My bad. You see that?
Under that Netflix, yeah. Yeah. Well, Tesla 2250 is a stock. We got into this trade at 1036. Let's see what it do for. Let's hold it until about 11 o'clock. Let's see what it do. What Tesla does. 2250 was the strike price. I mean, was the price where I got it to. Okay, now Chaz, what you were saying about Netflix? I ain't even looked at it. Hold on.
It just dropped down to 385.
Really?
Yeah, man. Oh.
Wow. That's fast.
Man, what's that symbol for Netflix?
NFLX.
FLX. Netflix is a dog with fleas, man, like Reggie said. It broke down, said, darn, God, Lee did it.
God, man.
I should have played that. Yeah, you're right.
We could have went on 5 minutes and played that song on. Wow.
It's gonna bounce off that 8 though. It's gonna probably pop back up. But still, that was an opportunity right there. Oh man.
Yeah, that was there. Yeah, I just down $5 and I was short in that 61 cents. When it was down 61 cents, now it's down 505.
Billy, Home Depot at 325 too.
It did look must be trying to break down again, is it?
Yeah, it's at 325. Man. Oh.
Yeah, the market trying to break down again, Chaz. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Man, we probably need to have a game plan on Sunday.
Yeah, we gotta probably start doing that, man. I think that might be a better idea, like just to make a watch list of like how things close the week prior, like that Friday, and then going into it on Monday to what to look for. Because Home Depot went to my price, I said, at 325. Netflix dropped it to 385, and it's still going lower. Like, man, we gotta be prepared for this. Oh man, dang! I'm sorry, I should have got in right.
Which one y'all talking about?
Billy.
Netflix at Home Depot. Look at Home Depot.
Yeah, Chaz, at Home Depot break down further. I guess that market probably turned around and give it some pressure, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, that's what happened.
It's an earnings play, so it's gonna have momentum to the downside, then it's gonna turn around hard back up. But you can catch some momentum, man. And as long as this market keep doing what it's doing, you can.
But like I said, Chaz, me and Reggie had no good luck with playing earnings, man.
Yes.
We done blow so many accounts out, messing with earnings, man. So, you know what I'm saying? You know, I can't make no money, but earnings has not been kind to me and Reggie.
Yeah.
Well,
we ain't seen it be kind to a lot of people over the years at all.
NVIDIA was a great example of that.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah,
that was a great example of what you guys talked about.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Look at not Netflix, but look at Tesla on a 1 minute. It looked like it's trying to turn over a little bit.
Ooh, Tesla is
See.
dropping.
We just started it virtually. Me and Chad. Were you on the phone, Reggie? You was
No, y'all did a
No,
virtual.
Reggie's gone. Yeah.
The virtual 2250, 845 strike was it right now, and right now the option is at 2380. So we up 130 bucks.
Dang, Tesla.
Wow.
Tesla going lower, man.
Yeah, but Chaz was right. The video and Home Depot was the play. Not the video, Netflix.
Man. Jesus, look at that.
Man, look at Tesla, man.
Yeah. Look how
Boys, I might get it.
down, y'all. Look at that. Look at
I
that.
might get in Tesla to the downside.
If you can afford a Tesla,
Yeah.
if you want to risk it, I mean, Tesla is definitely a play to the downside. It's gonna have us big moves up, but this thing is overall bearish.
Look at y'all 1 minute and do your system on the 1 minute. Go RMAX and you'll see what I'm talking about.
All right.
RSI below
All right. Yeah.
below the moving averages, and look at your ADX cross on a 1 minute. So if you get some pressure on a 2 or 3 minute, this stock gonna drop even further.
Yeah, it's trying to move up slightly on this 1 minute, but it's still, this thing is.
I got the option right now that we were looking at. The option was 2250. We got into right now. The option is 2350.
Here it comes, coming back
So
down.
Dang.
So basically, what you can do is when you get it like this, we're gonna stay in the straight for 16 minutes, Reggie. So probably in about.
Here come Microsoft.
I see. Microsoft dying back down, isn't it?
Go ahead, Bill. You said 16 minutes.
So Reggie, this is we timing that thing right now. Remember we talked about the time frame of staying in it?
Yeah, what time did y'all get in? 10:40.
10:36.
So look to get out around 10:55. I mean 10:50.
10:50, yeah, something like that, yeah.
Joe Biden is speaking that too. So
Oh, God.
keep that in mind. This dude, I can't stand him, bro.
Yo, that's
Man,
your.
what y'all got against Biden, man?
He not the money maker we need. That's what I got against him.
Man, he's St. Nicholas, man. He giving out everything.
Is he? Oh, look at that turnaround. That bounce off the 200 on Microsoft was vicious on the 1 minute. Wow.
Did it go up or go down?
It bounced up
Bounced up.
off the 200. It's got it.
I still think
It's coming back down. It will. It's gonna bounce here.
So we said 16 minutes, right? We'll see what Tesla do in 16 minutes.
See, that's crazy. At Microsoft, yeah. If it breaks that 200 downside, this thing gonna crash again. I hate I missed that 280, man. I want to let us trade at 4 a.m. in the morning. That was my target. That was my strike price right there. My target, 280.
No, it did get down to 284 though. You had to get out immediately though.
Yeah.
Tesla hitting his head on that 80 EMA right now. So let's see if it's setting up, gonna close above it, and gonna fail here. That's the question. Like Reggie said, it's definitely bearish, you know.
Let me see what this let me see what AbleSys is putting out here.
See how Tesla failing right now a little bit? Now it looks like it crawls above. Getting a lot of choppy trade right now.
A lot of choppy trade. Hughes is felling.
Are they rich?
Yeah, just slightly. 53 minutes in. This candle. Let me go to a day trade. Talk about Tesla, right?
So we said we're gonna give it 16. What you said, 1050, right? See what it
Mhm.
does.
Uh, 1052 would be. Yeah, 1052. Now on Tesla's 1 minute on AbleSys, they got it right on support right now.
Is it okay?
That's exactly what it's holding at too.
Look like it's trying to break the support a little bit at
Mhm.
83.51 is the support.
It's trying.
If it breaks at 83.51, it's gonna go lower. 843.51.
Is this interesting? Because they just pulled a resistance down to 848.
They just pull it down.
Yeah, because it was at 851.
What does that mean when they pull it down like that?
I guess it's averaging lower prices is the only thing I could think of because this is a 1 minute chart we're looking at.
Goodness, Home Depot, 323.
That's that momentum.
Yeah.
What's the symbol for Home Depot?
HD.
Oh boy, I've been a great buy this morning. It was right there at 200 too.
You are right
Well,
there.
Oh, this thing opened at 335. Home Depot.
Mhm.
It tanked. I think the market just gonna kind of be wobbly today.
Yeah, look, this is the time when it really get choppy right here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think let's see what it do this afternoon.
Yeah.
Wait, what time is it? We got 3 minutes in this Tesla trade. What's it doing?
Tesla's trade right now. Tesla's at, I think I got it at down $10 and some change. Well, $11 just now.
Yeah.
You got 3 minutes.
3 minutes to see what it do. And that option right now, we still up a little bit in that option. But I think we up like $25 on that option. Highest we was up was 150.
And things kind of moving up now. Oh, Microsoft.
You ain't get out at 385, Cecil?
No, man, I couldn't. I was I wasn't around. I had to take care of something.
It's time to get out, man. You know, and that Microsoft, you know, when they gapped up and get a chance to reshort it, I think.
Yeah.
All right, Tesla coming down.
Breaking back down again. Is the time up yet?
No,
252. You got 2 minutes.
got 2 minutes.
Okay.
But this thing is
I
holding.
don't care what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just sell it for 2 minutes. You know.
There it goes. There it goes.
2 minutes.
240, 842.
842. Still got a minute and a half left.
Dang. Billy, you're an inside trader, man. That's what you I think you lost it.
This guy who I learned from, like I was saying, if we can put together like $50 a piece, I can get these lessons and I can teach y'all how to do this stuff. My free trial, the only thing my free trial is up.
You got 40 seconds left in this trade. I just got a sell signal on AbleSys on this 1 minute.
Okay, now Reggie, what you do? Break the thing to break even, or just cut the trade, take your profit. That's the
How much profit? How much you up? How much you up?
I'm up on this. I got it at $22.50 and it's at $25 right now.
$300.
Yeah, it's Jill, that's 16 minutes, man.
Here it is.
50.
I
I give you 50 for that, Dylan.
Man.
That's Reggie, the guy named is Hubert Centers. We can talk about it, getting it set up and everything, and I can teach y'all what to do because I done got a head start on the webinars and with Hubert Centers. He's a country dude from Kentucky. You know, got that Southern country accent like we do, Cecil, you know?
Yeah, what made you call? I mean, what made you call that? And
The Bigelow stuff, and what he does is basically he talks about a different strategy. Me and Reggie that talked about it before, but 3 months they got a special, and you know what I'm just saying. You know, the special is for like $259 for 3 months.
Hold on.
They have all kind of stuff. I'll send Reggie. Did I send you the email or no?
No, you didn't.
Okay, I need to send Reggie the email. Hold on, because Reggie good with navigating all this type stuff. You know, I can teach it and break it down, but you know.
842.
Hey, I think Home Depot got room to 315 today.
You're probably right.
You're probably right with the moment of this market. Yeah.
I'm about to jump in actually.
With you, man. I don't like earnings. I done got burned so much. So anything going around earnings.
Oh well, I mean, this is in and out for me. Yeah, I'm saying they already reported.
And I can, but if I drew out any account, it's because of earnings. Okay, Reggie, I cut the trade.
Okay,
Reggie,
you out?
$240.
Okay. It's still weak too.
$240 bag. Well, we got in that trade 1036, right, Cecil?
Yep.
Let's go back and look
16
at
minutes of work, $200.
man. Look how we shorten that thing there to moving averages. See? Bang. Chaz tell me to look at Netflix. I don't even want to look at it because I know the 61 cents when I would have entered it, Reggie, was down 61 cents. Chaz was telling me about Netflix, so I don't know where it's at now. Dang, it's down $8.
383. Yep.
Golly, man.
Yeah.
Cecil, did you pull the trigger on that or not?
I think he stepped away for a second.
It's going lower too, man.
Hey, man,
You think so, Reggie?
You was right on the money.
Netflix.
You should have got a Netflix. I just got the entry and
Man,
Dang.
I like Centers, Reggie, because see the thing about it is that he gave us these things, man. You know, and we got a signal on that Netflix ad. Oh boy, Chaz hit it right on. Chaz, you hit that right on the money, man.
Well, I think Reggie called Netflix out, but I called the strike price out and said I think we can go to 380. I remember because that.
That's going a lot lower.
Yeah, that's a beautiful thing, man. Netflix.
All right, so can I hold it then? You think, Reggie?
You got it? Yeah, you can hold it.
No.
Oh my goodness, Netflix! Look at Tesla, man.
What did it do, Reggie?
Oh.
What did it do?
Bro, it's
839.
839, man. It just popped up 840, but that's what we expected, man.
Well, that's one of the things, and this is what they do, Reggie, man. One thing I like about this is two things they teach. It's a combination. What I want to learn how to do, the price targets. Because when I look at every chart that we look based on our system, 100% of the time, they was long oil, we was long oil. They was short tech, we was short tech. They was everything we traded, it was in the same direction. Now, the only thing I don't know is how they keep the clouds and how they come up with price targets.
Yeah, the video came all the way back down.
Yo, let's look at Netflix though for some more short. How low do you think it can go, Reggie? Like next week? Because I'm just looking at these options. Because this thing moved too. It
This
moved
is the
pretty.
first day of the down move, Chad, like Reggie was saying.
This thing could go back to three initially.
60.
You looking at
I'm looking at I'm looking at March 4th for a 365 put.
yeah, you can get the 372 and then 360 put, man. It's all there for you.
Yeah, one of the things we doing right, Reggie, is that, and this is another thing, on that daily time frame, we on the right side of that darn 80X this time.
Mm-hmm.
And that RSI, we got there on that daily. I do not like counter trend trading. I can't do it unless I'm. And one of the things we talked about, Chaz, if we're gonna counter trend trade, like trading to go up right now, Reggie and I said, if we do that, we just trade the Qs and the SPYs.
Yeah, true.
And we got to counter trade because those stocks, they're so unpredictable, but it take a lot of energy for a whole sector to move in an up or downward direction. That cut our lot size in half. And if we got to trade, because like you say, this is that dopamine and that adrenaline rush we got to try to counter.
So let me. I'm about to get into Netflix put for next Friday.
We want to try to trade this move up. And like Reggie was saying, we had to catch ourselves the last time because it was a vicious counter trend move up, but the chart was telling us bearish.
Mm-hmm.
So we can't both go ways. You can't, in other words, you can't have a hoe and a housewife. You got to take one, you know?
Right. Yeah, true.
Either you're going to deal with the housewife and that be your girl, or you're going to be a player and be a hoe, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Reggie, what you thinking about this Netflix, man? Because that's what I'm looking at right now.
Reggie was saying, you know, we want to do it.
I like it lower, man.
Or Chaz, what we can do, if we see a counter trend move, we can play both going up and going down.
Look at this thing, man. This thing is, I like it going lower, bro. I mean,
what the three? What do you like it as though? I'm getting it for next Friday.
Like you said, Chaz, Reggie said, practice on getting the move right first, and everything else will come. Because if I get with Hubert, then Hubert Simmons is the guy's name, and I get in this chat room because I can be amongst people and I can teach all us how to do it, and we duplicate 4 people, and that's big in this game. Me and Reggie said, you got to duplicate people. It's just too much work, isn't it, Reggie?
Yeah. You can, man, that 370 is a 34. Dang, it's expensive, man. Unless you going this week, Chaz?
No, next week.
Next week?
Oh, you think I should do it for this week?
No. I mean, you can, but the market, if the market bounce, you're gonna be in trouble. Yeah, I mean, the lowest you can go is 370. That's the riskiest.
Even what y'all looking at, Red?
Netflix. But that's only 10 points. Netflix can do that in 15 minutes.
So I'm saying, can I do it for next? Would you do it for this week or next week? If I'm getting a 365 put, would you do it for next week or this week?
Oh, I'm doing it for next week for sure.
Hold up, Chad. See the thing of this is what you want to do. See, you caught the move. When you see the move, and that's one of the things. As soon as when you see that move, don't have no conscience. Just pull the trigger. Wait for this to recycle up a little bit. You initially had that move, Chad. You had it.
Yeah, I know.
Look at Netflix. So when you see that, when they take it in your mind, like how Reggie talking, we always talk about SC, we always talk about Microsoft, but sometimes you got to listen to your own self. So your own self was saying, Billy, 60 cents. You was looking at it. So you accommodate and you get the skill right now. Chaz, this thing, since you seen it at 60 cents, this thing that dropped 9 points. That's your move. That was your move.
Yeah, it's popping up a little bit now. So
you identified it. So that's the skill, is identifying. No matter what the do, that's the skill. You identifying it.
Mm-hmm.
Like NVIDIA, you identify that you win calls and everything. But okay. What you got to tell yourself is that, okay, it is in an upward trend. Well, I'm going to counter trend this. I'm going to either cut down my lot size, play it both to go up or down, or don't play it at all. So being ready, say if you're going to counter trade, counter trend trade something with tight spreads like the Qs or the SPYs. That's all I said. Then when the trend resume itself, go in your direction, then that's when you can bring the mother load. I mean, it takes a while to process all of that because we also excited about making money. We done been there, done that. But your skill now, I've seen you and I've been watching you for the last 2 or 3 weeks. You have been able to identify and point out turning points in stocks, and that's the skill you want.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. I appreciate that. I just gotta get better. I gotta get better at my execution.
The whole time it was we was bearish on this entire market. The only thing we was bullish on was probably oil and gold. We ain't talking about gold, but gold bullish. We ain't been talking about going long in this market at all if you're looking at it from a long-term trend. And another thing too, Chaz, if you get in on a daily time frame, give that stock 20. That stock should make that move in 20 days in and out of your favor. If you get on an hourly time frame, you're gonna be in that stock for 3 days. If you're in for a 10-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, maybe 2 to 3 hours. We got into that trade on Tesla. We got it on like a 2-minute time frame. So we gave it 16 minutes.
Yep.
Because you got to understand the time horizon. The time horizon.
Hold on, guys. I gotta take care of something. Hold on.
20 days. I got 20 days to make money. If I had on a 2-minute, okay, I got 16 to 20 minutes to make money on this trade. If we can be disciplined in that, if we either right or wrong, like Reggie said, just go ahead and cut it and take your money. Go ahead. It was a day. So going into that trade, we know it was a day trade. No matter what it does afterward, we know it was a day trade. And we came out with $260.
Yeah, true. I'm just trying to find my entry point now on this thing. I'm just trying to find my entry point on this thing now because it's at 380.
Oh, it done dipped more.
But see, that's not an entry point. That's a continuation.
Yeah, it's a continuation of the trend.
Chad has the entry point when the stock was down 61 cents.
Right.
The entry point when it came up and started, when you start your trade at an 8 MA to 20 MA, Chaz had the perfect entry point.
So
I just don't want to.
What you need now is to wait for it to have a pull up. It's going to have a pull up. If you look at the 2-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, it's going to pull up on those charts at some point during this day. And then
get in around the end.
That's when you want to get back in, and go ahead and short because it's going lower overall.
So like 385 ish.
Yeah. It should pull back up near there. If it's going to retrace what it just did, it's going to retrace back up 383, 384.
Okay. Now, Reggie, explain to Chaz, if we would have gotten the Tesla on a 15-minute, we would have been in this trade for maybe an hour, right, Reggie?
Oh, my gosh. Look at
If we was a Tesla on 15 minutes, okay, that option was at $22.50. Now it's over $28. So the higher the time frame, the more money you can potentially make. That's what Reggie's trying to explain to you guys. So that's why I want to get into Cuban's class so I can find out about the price targets.
Yeah.
I mean, I think 3 months, I think that'll be enough time. He wanted $500-something over a year period of time, but I didn't want to do that because he's a good. One thing I like about him, he's a good teacher.
I can't see nothing on the screen.
Tesla just dropped. The bottom just dropped out of Tesla.
It sure did.
And as I was telling Chaz, when you get in, you're getting on the train. You're not getting on at the bus stop. You be hopping on the train. I like bus stop trades, but you can't hop on the train. But when you hop on the train, that's riskier because you can fall and have an injury. But if the bus stopping, you can get on the train and don't get hurt.
Right.
I want to be a bus stop trader, I want to get on the next stop. That's why I had my students short Microsoft. Remember Reggie was talking about Reggie, she shorted it at 290. Look at Microsoft now.
Oh yeah. Microsoft. I was gonna say Cecil got it off, but Microsoft is all the way back to the red.
Yeah. But she's shorter than that 290, like Reggie was saying. This is an opportunity because of the overall time frame on a daily time frame. The daily time frame is strictly bearish.
Look at that.
But once you can understand that, she probably had, Amari probably had these, I don't know. But see, that's why you don't have, what I'm saying, Chaz, when you get the money in your account and it's really good, not money to spend it, but you got leverage. You know what I'm saying? You can go back and repair this trade or buy another strike, or you can sell it. Like if I really wanted to do, if I had the money like $50,000 or $60,000 right now, when I say hit 290, I'd have been selling the call right now. I've been selling the call. But the bottom line is getting the move right, and y'all, you and Cecil accommodating that skill. And just imagine if you know how to do that and look at it and identify it and be consistent. Reggie already know how to look at it. I know how to look at it. Cecil and you get the skills to look at it. Just imagine if all folk can look at the same thing and we can be and can judge with each other within 5 seconds. That's gonna make us powerful.
Yeah, very, very true.
Yeah, that's gonna make us powerful because we won't have to go back and Reggie don't have to go back and check your trade and teach you and have it. We don't know. You say, okay, like when I tell Reggie, I'm short of that such and such. Okay, I'm in it, Billy. I'm in it. Because the market don't understand time. And like Reggie said, the market don't wait for nobody. It don't care.
Tesla didn't wait for nobody, I tell you that.
Yeah.
That thing down to 833 now, man. 833, Billy.
Huh?
It's down to 833. We hit that thing on the nose. I mean, you couldn't. The blood's still going. You hit that thing so good.
Yeah, man. But I tell you, oh man, it's down to $23. Damn. But Reggie, show Chaz the daily how on Thursday when we talked about last night. Show him Thursday how Tesla looked.
Yeah, look at. I mean,
Thursday, that first candle that closed below that 20 and the 80
Yep.
MA. Look at that.
right there, and the 80X on top, red and going green. We below the 50. I mean, it was textbook. Trend is down, moving averages down. This thing was, man.
It was setting up for the prime.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Home Depot too. Ugh.
Home Depot moving like Reggie said. Home Depot moving like this because of the energy of the earnings. They don't have a big ATR like Tesla or Google or Netflix or like that. They don't move like that. It's moving like that because of their earnings. So that's why I want to stay away from it. You know.
Well, I mean, the earnings already came out though, so I would just be playing the momentum.
Yeah, you could have played. He could have played the momentum after the earnings, definitely. But yeah, at this point though, it done did it's doing this thing now.
Yeah, it did its move. Yeah, I'm still watching Netflix though. It's trying to pull up a little bit.
Yeah, that's what you want.
I had Margaret short at SE. Take a look at SE. First of all, look at the daily. Show Chaz the daily on SE, and look at the ADX, and look at the moving averages, and look at the RSI on the daily.
It's at 129 already. About to hit 128.
Look at that. Dang, yeah, that was beautiful on that daily, bro. Dang.
Now,
You see up now? How much to see up?
Show them a 2 minute.
What y'all talking about?
Show them
SE.
resistance on the 2 minute.
Say it again, showing the resistance on the 2 minute.
Yeah, show them all that traffic and resistance on the 2 minute.
I'm gonna have to redo this.
And look at the cross that came about 15 minutes ago. Show them that cross. That's when I had Margaret shorted. Right
here. Yeah, that was beautiful. That was at 132.
Yeah, 132. So now she up. Now she not text me like crazy, Reggie.
I'm sure she out of it, right?
Well, I had her get the 132.50 for SE.
Man, Rick, you told us that, Billy. Dang.
Yeah.
I said you shared that with us. Yeah, you shared that with us. 132. God Almighty.
You know that Tesla went down to.
I know. I looked at Netflix and Chaz, and I said, yeah, that's going. we come back to stock down 10 points, man. We did Tesla, so I'm telling you, sinners, man. That's what those fellas do, man. When they get in that chat room, and what they'll do, they'll trade very similar. Reggie and I had some experience, but I don't know if you and Chaz did. But what was that Nate them used to trade, right?
Yeah.
So what they would do when they get a signal, they would just dive in and buy like 30 to 40, sometimes 50 contracts.
Yeah, they be in 100 deep.
Yeah.
What they buying about 80 cents and stuff like that though?
It just depends, you know. Now,
Man,
you think they was dealing with? You had more experience than I did with them.
they would buy out of the money contract. They believe it's coming their direction, like that Tesla just did, and Netflix and SC. They would buy out of the money and just hammer it, man.
Man, Tesla 833.
Yep.
And we
Man,
2250.
Huh?
2250 at 1036.
what did that stock going? What is it going for now?
Hey, you can't hold Tesla though. Like you got to day trade Tesla. It moves so
Yeah,
crazy.
well, that's what I mean.
Well, if we would have took it off an hour, man, I forgot how long, Billy.
It was 16 minutes.
Like 3 days.
Oh, 3 days. So not an hour. So we took it off. Yeah, we took it. It was 16-minute trade, but we could have held it longer and if we wanted to, but we could have locked it in. Just say that.
But like Reggie said, we like say if I would have let me for 2 minutes, that's like 16 minutes we was in that trade. Okay, if it was 4 minutes, 32 minutes, we still would have been in a trade. 5 minutes, let's say 40 minutes, we still would have been in that trade. So the lower the time frame, the smaller your profit gonna be. The higher your time frame, the smaller your potential profit gonna be. So you look at Tesla right now. Tesla down 25 points. When we traded it, we had an 845 put, and we spent. It was going for 2250. But when you have money, you can be creative and you can hold your things long. See, when you're building that account up, you can't do that. So right now, if I had 10K in my account, I wouldn't care nothing about one contract. Because if I got it at 2250, okay, I'll tell Reggie I got 10 grand. I'll take a 600 hit if it go against me against Tesla because I know I can come back from it. But look,
Yeah.
The bottom line is catching the move. So when we caught that move but what that option at right now? We got it at 2250 to 845 for this week. What that's going at right now?
That's crazy. I wonder what much it's going for right now.
Which one? Tesla?
Yeah.
I paid 2250 for that option.
Which one? The 850?
The 845.
3160. No, 31. 3100. Yep.
Hey, Tesla might go down to 800 this week.
Microsoft, the 290 put on Microsoft.
Yeah, Microsoft
see,
back in the red season.
Yeah, I got that. I got the 290 put on that Sundown for this week. I'm ready for it. Yeah, if it breaks this 1 minute, if it breaks this darn 287.23, that thing going lower.
This is so expensive to trade Tesla. Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
The Microsoft put, Reggie, we had the 290 put, and I paid 570 for it. Where's it going at right now? I shorted this at 290.30 because I wrote it down.
What's that?
The 290 put for the March 4th, I paid 570 for it. 585, 575, might as well say. Margaret did it real.
780 by 760.
So we already up at 100 and something bucks.
Yeah.
190
Yeah.
bucks. Now Netflix, when I showed at Netflix on the daily time, when Chaz told me, I wrote the option price down. I did it for this week. And with Reggie, I had the 390 put. I had the 390 put, and I spent $740 on that. Now I bought this one in the money because I like the way how Netflix moves. So I spent $930 on that. So right now that option is at what? That option should be close to I should be about $400 to $500 up. Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Chaz,
Wow.
is Netflix coming back, settling down a little bit. You can
It's
get
down $10.24.
yeah. If you want to get,
It went up.
you want to move. Yeah, just had a little move up. You want to get another. If it can move up a little bit more sideways.
Yeah, I know. You think it can though? I've been watching it since we've been on.
Spotify in the red. About time. Microsoft in the red. Look at this. Look at the reversal on Spotify, man.
Man, what if all this stuff bounced though in the afternoon? That's what I hate about it.
I know a lot of stuff could bounce in the afternoon, man, but the charts tell you they bearish, man. So you got to go with the charts, man.
You gotta go with the hard hand, man.
Yeah. Oh, come on, Microsoft. Break that 287.
You said
287.26. It's down. I want to break that 287.26.
Oh, it's gonna break it. It's coming now. The selling pressure is coming. See, so that's what the thing about it, like Reggie was saying, it's the inverse when an upward trend, and a pull back, you buy up, and a pull up, you buy down.
Yeah, I should have added on.
Yeah.
But that's cool. I'm learning. I'm learning how to take profit. That's what I'm learning how to do.
Right.
Yeah. We probably should have did this morning, see, so that I didn't do it. Took the profit early this morning. When it pulled back up, then get back in.
Got back in. Yeah.
90 range, right, Reggie?
Yep. That would have been that would definitely been ideal.
Well, that's what I had Margaret did. But when you're dealing with a little bit of money, sometimes it's a little bit different. But when you're dealing with like a 50K account like she got, that's a lot easier psychologically.
Yeah, that's true. But brother, that's my goal. Get 50 G's or more in here.
Right now is getting in with Larry Centers, and this is a preview of what he was showing. Getting in, learning that, and teaching y'all, getting all like this. Because if all of us can learn it, it could be better for all of us, man. Because I get too old to do this by myself.
Man, well, that's powerful what you just shown, man. That right there, I see what you're saying. I mean, well, like you said, I think we don't get crazy over 1,500 strategies, but like that right there can work. You can hedge the plays you in by using that strategy you just shown. You can really hedge. Say, okay, I'm in this play.
Reggie, look at that Tesla.
Tesla down to 826, man. Woo.
Man.
Yeah. This is frustrating, man. I'm waiting for this thing to pop up. Come on, Netflix. Reggie, I don't think he's gonna go back up, bro.
Hey, look at Chad. You frustrated, but we happy for you because you're seeing it. We happy.
I'd have been up $1,000 right now if I would have got if I would have played a 390 put when I seen it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to play it, bro. You seeing it?
Another one too.
You got.
Look at Google at 11:02. Look at Google.
I like it, Chaz. I mean, it needs to pull up, but
give me Netflix again. Netflix symbol.
NFLX.
LX, yeah.
Let me add that to my. You trying to play a downside down put on that?
Yeah.
I put.
Yep.
Reggie, I'm gonna send you something. I want you to share it. If you can share it with Discord, I'm gonna send it to you. And you can put it on the screen here.
Okay.
You about a 390 put? You looking at 390 put? Chaz?
Well, I was at that time when it was at 390.
Oh man. Chaz, AbleSys gave the sell signal at 388. So I mean, you was right on. He's looking at it, man.
So all right, so is a 365 put though out of the question for next Friday?
No, not at all. Not at all. We just think you can get a better price, you know.
I don't know if it's gonna pull up though, man.
My dude in Akron called me Because I've been working with him too. I'm gonna put him on the conversation with us. Hold on, okay?
It's still going down.
Yeah,
Lord.
yeah.
Okay.
Put them in the Discord. You get on Zoom.
I'm gonna call him right now. And I'm gonna give him the Discord stuff.
So Reggie, look at the 5 minute on Netflix real quick.
Gosh, this is crazy.
What you looking at, Red?
Tesla, man.
I
Look
know.
at the 5 minute.
I like it for a swing trade. You can get in, man. Just know that it could pull up on you first.
Yeah.
You might
Chess in the day might be good though.
yeah.
End of the day.
Afternoon. Yeah, late afternoon.
This thing
'Cause
is
really
really
this
down
your first-
360 by that time.
It went.
It's
But
got a
it went
shot.
three-
You're right.
Yeah, it went sideways for a while. This really, honestly, the first day really down.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to get it, I mean, you could get in now. Just know that it could pull up, but it's going sideways right now, which is what you want. You wanted to get back to those 20 and 5-day moving average, man. And that's what is working its way back. See, like on that 15 minute, it's so extended away from them, man. So it needs a natural move up at some point, but that doesn't mean it can't go lower first.
That's true.
See, it's moving up a
See?
little bit right now, 381.
Ideal 385. You get in that sun gun. Do you say the net 385 be ideal to get back down the back on the?
That'd be
Downside.
nice. Yeah, that'd be nice.
That'd be nice.
I don't know if it'll do that, but if you can get back,
Yeah.
what's this low of this candle? Yeah, 385. Yeah, that'd be ideal.
It's pulling up now.
Okay, there you go. Just sit tight.
All right. I'm sitting tight on the edge of my seat. Trust me. I got my order ready.
You sit on the edge of my seat.
What you doing next week, Chaz?
Yeah, I'm doing next Friday for 365. Right now, the option price is 725. I really want to pay 660 for it. There we go. It's dropping. Come on, baby. Come on.
Reggie, did you get my email?
No, hold on. We're sitting here looking at Netflix.
I was talking to my dude. He ain't in the mood. There's a woman that pissed him off. So
No.
he just ain't really, he'll get on another day, man.
Okay. I didn't get it yet. Where you send it, bro?
Trader Red.
Oh, you sent it to my other email. Hold on one second.
Come on, Microsoft. Down by down, boss. Go test that 285 again.
Oh, you got out of the one for this week, right?
No, I'm getting out today. Say what, Billy?
I said, what Microsoft is trading at right now?
287.32.
Okay, it's going to break that low because we come around lunchtime. You usually get a lot of selling during this time.
Yeah, it's just closed below that 200 moving average on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's trending down. So if it goes back, like you said, if it goes back and tests that low, man, that's 284. I'm definitely out of that song.
I hope I said it the right thing, baby.
No, I'm like, I don't have it, Billy. So Netflix is trying to move up right now, Chad. That's what that bill was I just got.
Yeah, it's at 382. Come on, keep going.
I don't see it.
And so when it move up, Reggie, what should I look for to get
Netflix
in on? If you know what I'm saying?
Well, you looking at, yeah, I mean, hold up.
Like what target? Like how am I looking at that
Hold
that
on.
on the chart to go, okay, maybe I should get in now.
Let me go to Netflix.
Oh, I thought I sent it to you.
I can't see your screen either, Reg.
Yeah, I was trying to find Billy's email. You gonna have to resend it, Billy.
I sent it with 2 R's, Trader, with 2 R's, Red, 617. I might have said it wrong.
At Gmail. So
380.
So look,
let me do it again. I'm diagramming this chart for y'all. Hold on.
385 would be perfect for me for
yeah,
Netflix.
380. That'd be ideal, bro. Anywhere up there.
That is ideal.
Yeah, because look, if you go all the way across, look over here, and then over here, look at the stopping points. It's all around 385.
What y'all want me to do? Y'all want me to do a diagram and Reggie send it and show it to y'all a Tesla? Or y'all want me to do Google, Netflix? What y'all want me to do?
Nah, I mean, we looking at Netflix right now because I think, Cecil, you trying to get into?
I'm looking at it. I mean, I like the way it looks. I like 385 better though.
Yeah, I do too.
All right.
Yeah, because right now in the 15 minutes got a little green bar that's probably gonna close above this bar beside it. If that thing chart back up there.
Yeah, it's at 383. Dang, this thing. Ooh, yeah, it's moving.
That's what I'm saying.
I can't. What'd you say, Billy?
You want me to do Netflix?
Yeah, do Netflix.
Yeah.
We're trying to look for an entry point. It's at 383. Yeah, it's going to reach my price. It's got a buy signal on the 5.
This is what you want right here. This is ideal.
This is the pull up right now. This is the counter trend rally right now.
This is why you gotta be patient, man. It's so hard to be patient, man.
Look at, like Reggie said, look at your ADX crossing on that right now.
Hold on, I'm
So
trying
that
to.
It's overall bearish, but right now we having a bullish moment.
We go to 5-minute chart. 2-minute chart, I mean. Look at that green crossing the red right now.
Yep.
So you just gotta sit tight on this 2-minute. I mean, this is a fast moving, it's 2 minutes, so. All right, so I was trying to cross. That 385 is a good target, man. Might even give you a little bit more space. See what it keeps.
Okay, 2 hours or 1 hour, Reg?
2 hours, bro.
so what you saying, Reg? You saying still 285, probably a good place?
Hopefully,
Yeah,
let's
hopefully
see.
it may not get there though.
It may not get there. I mean, right now you're gonna get a better price too, but give it a second.
Yeah.
here.
I don't mind paying 670. Did you say Chaz, you looking at about 670, 680?
365 for next Friday. It should be around 660. Stop it.
Give me the email again, Reggie.
Trader Reg at 617 at Gmail.
Trader with 2 hours or 1 hour?
2 hours.
617
Yeah, at Gmail.
at Gmail.
It's dropping back down though. It's not even holding.
I mean, you can get in. You can get in, man.
You can if you want. It's
oh my gosh.
Send that to you with Netflix so Chaz can take a look at it.
Yeah, I mean it's going into a nice squeeze. It's setting up for the next move.
Yeah, it's going into it's setting up. This was like a shooting star, and we getting a close below that on a. This is what, a 2 minute. Yeah, you're right, Chaz. It didn't hold up at all. Reggie, did you get it, Jack?
Yeah, it came up like superimposed. I don't know why is it so big.
Come on, just move up for us. Move up to 385 and then go right back down real hard.
Hold on, Billy.
Yeah, because this really a first day down on. It's been in the squeeze. It's first day down on Netflix. That ain't a bad buy.
Right, exactly. That's what Reggie was talking about, the gravestone doji. That just tells you that Japanese is burying the treasure. So the burying the treasure means this thing gonna go lower. So this is just the first day, really, on a bigger time scope.
Yep.
That's on a bigger time scope. You're on a bigger time frame. So like I say, when that start gapping down in the morning, I'm taking that trade. If I'm going in the swing trade, I'm taking that trade first thing in the morning for as far as a swing trade. That make sense?
Makes a lot of sense, man. I like it now, boy. I love it at 385.
Well,
Hold on.
All right. I do too.
Hello?
Hey, Ms. Bonner.
Hey.
I just got a with Wanda Whitfield from.
It's going up to 383 though.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And she said she's gonna ask,
Yeah, it's oh shoot. Look at this.
It's in a squeeze on that 5 minute.
This is what you sent earlier, Billy. This right? This picture.
Is that it?
Is this Google you sent me?
No, it's Netflix. That's Netflix.
Oh, that's Netflix. No, that's Netflix, bro.
Okay.
Look at that, man. That was beautiful, bro. And the entry up there was just outstanding.
See, that's what Hubert doesn't teach you how to do, and Bigelow, they teach you how to enter these things the right way.
Who is it? Who is he talking about?
A guy
This
named
is what I
Hubert.
was telling you about the guy who I was following.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Already got the system down and everything, but that's when I came up with those time horizons. Like if you get in it at a daily, you got 20 days to make the trade, an hourly, 3 days. If you got 4 hours, that's 12 days. It don't matter what time frame you know what I'm saying, but you want to have a time horizon you have for this trade to materialize and go to your favor. You still put in your stops and everything. But just realize, the more like Tesla, that stock pulled with us big time because the overall trend of that stock is so bearish. And all we basically did, we just shorted it coming off of what? Because we said it was a sucker rally. Like you said, Chaz, you said the guy said the volume is really light and really low, this thing should come back down. So I don't know if Cecil know, but me and Reggie know when light volume is not gonna hold up in a market, especially on a downward trend. So it had to succumb to that trend. Now, did we know Tesla was going to drop this far? No, we didn't know. And if we were Tesla on an hourly time frame, as soon as we got that signal on an hourly, add a there to 20, boom. When you have there 20, that 20 that ain't going to act as a support or resistance. In this case, that acted as resistance.
Apple,
what MasterCard doing, Reggie?
man, Apple had a nice. Apple would have been a nice play too to the downside. MasterCard, it's in the red now.
Man, that ain't holding, Reggie. I might get in, bro.
Go ahead, man.
At 374, y'all. Look at that.
This is a good area, man. If you want to get in, man. If moved up 3 points from that low, or 2 points.
Well, no, yeah, it's only 2.
Still think it might move a little bit more, but I mean, you buying it a swing, so you're not buying it for a day trade.
All right, now it's at 382. Come on, push, baby, push. Oh, come on, you can do it.
So,
Come on.
Hold on for a minute, y'all. Hello?
Oh, it's at 382.
yeah, see it.
I think it got room to maybe 380, 350. What? It could test. What was the pre-market on this? Was it 390? It opened at, let's see. What you watching, Reggie?
All the stocks we talking about, I'm just looking at them.
Are you playing anything? Just Microsoft, right?
Yeah, Spotify. Yes, boo. Making magic happen. That's what your shirt say. Huh? Lean back. My back. Stop, girl. Trying to see if this stock can break down. See, this is called Spotify. See, the red means down, green means up. Ooh. See this overall trend is down. Sharpen your mind. What game is that?
I think it's called Word Blast.
Oh yeah, Spotify breaking down.
300 coins.
Netflix starting to break down again. You taking a break, Booker? Here it goes. Netflix. Let's go. Let's go. Think. All right, fellas, let's get back together this afternoon.
Okay, man. So what?
All right.
All right, take it.
Yeah. Q's breaking down.
You put this in.
Hurt my leg.